Okay, so I've had some people asking me how you do the icons with Elfbot. So I'm making this small video just to show how is it. It's going to be like really small and basic script to use something that is on the ground, but I hope that it is helpful and I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Okay? Well, let's start. First of all, I need to check that I have my freaking Enigma run because I'm gonna use one of the runs on the floor. Okay. Now, uh, first of all, you go to icons in here. You will open this window. Then you set a name. Let's put TP run since that's what I'm gonna use. And then you set here the script that you're gonna use. So it will be like this. When you're gonna use an item or something like that, you have to see the ID and show it there. When you look at the item, then you have to pick the size, small. You use here once again an item ID depending on what you want the icon to look like. I'm gonna use the run just because. Then you set here off. You select the colors that you're gonna use. I'm gonna use green and red this time, but you can use whichever colors you want. And on, excuse me, um, you put them the other ways in here because that way it will show a text on the opposite color when it's on and when it's off. Here it works for the space, for the place on the screen that you're gonna have it. Like in here you click enable icons and then it will show in here, which is not showing the image for some reason. Okay, let's not use that. mm, like that, you see here, and then you use the same one on the other side, excuse me, and then when you're off and when you're on, see how it uses the run. If you for any reason put the you find that this thing turns off and on, that you turn it on, excuse me, and then it goes off by itself, that means that you did something wrong with the script, so you might want to correct the script because that's a problem. Like I said, this it works for the place on the screen that it's going to be. So if you, let's say, put a 15 here, you see it moved the icon. If you put a 100 here, it moved it again, and it goes just like that. Whenever you wanted to move it or you want to place it, I usually use them like in the whole thing here. Well, before, because now I use only the persistence, but that's how you make an icon. Now, if you see the persistence, okay, you go hotkeys, you go edit, and you put in here all the scripts that you want to run like the whole time. For example, I have this here to sort the loot. So whenever at T3, because I do the transmute with the tier 1 and 2, so we start with T3 and it goes to the blue backpack and like that, and it will do it all the time. As long as I have my backpacks open, it will go to the one that it's supposed to be. So that's pretty much everything. You can use either the icons. The icons are useful like on these cases, like I don't know, when you're gonna level a new character and you wanted to eat all the candies, you can use it then turn it on and off depending on if you have or want to use them at the moment or not. You can use it for like fishing. When if somebody moves you, you put the script that it's on the forums, and then it will go back to the fish. Or you can use it like there's a place on Pandora and on Desolation where you can use the nests, and it will bring some turtles that you can kill. You can use it for that too, or things like that that you wanted to do it sometimes but not the whole time. So it's basically that. You use the icons for that. So I hope it was helpful, and I hope it was understanding, because yeah, my English sucks, but I hope you guys understand it. And well, it's all. Any questions, anything, just can message me on the game or can message me here. Thank you.